We are now at Tai Kwun, and Tai Kwun is basically the old police station, but not just police station, but you also have the courthouse here. It used to be the one-stop spot for law enforcement, basically. You can very nicely see the whole setup of the place. Everything that is shown in blue is basically related to the police. This is the old courthouse, and then everything in yellow are the old prison buildings.
It took 8 years to restore this former Hong Kong prison and police station into an art complex. Its conversion to date is one of the biggest adaptive reuse of a heritage site undertaken in Hong Kong. As most of the city, historic colonial architecture had been bulldozed and redeveloped well before the British government handed Hong Kong back to China in 1997. Some of the cells in the former Victoria prison had been left intact to show visitors how cramped conditions were for the prisoners. The shadow projections onto the cell walls were my favorite part of the museum, just because it made it more interesting and showed what life would have been like back then.